In front of me is TCL 205, and let me show you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, you have to open your Play Store. Now click on your account icon right here. And now select My Apps and Games. And here you've got all updates that can be applied, and you can either update one particular application by tapping on Update right next to its icon, or you can update all apps at once by tapping on Update All at the top of the list. So that will be all. Obviously, meanwhile, you can use your device in a normal way and then just check up on your apps by opening Play Store, and here you'll be able to observe the progress. Also, outdated apps would be placed at the bottom of the list. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.